This video will cover the Retaking a Class tab and how faculty mentors might utilize this information to send the appropriate resources to students before they may need them. So at this point, once you've navigated to your faculty mentor dashboard, you're probably looking at the summary in the color-coded categories. And at the beginning of the semester is when this is most useful. So maybe in week 0 or definitely by week 1, you could send out messages for students who may be retaking classes. But you can identify them by clicking on the Retaking a Class tab, and then you'll see how many students may be taking the course for the second time, or in this instance, we have some students retaking a course for the third time. And you'll see a little plus that's next to the number of how many attempts the student is taking a course. And if you click that, it will expand that list. So we're not just seeing that I've got 8 students retaking courses for the second time, but specifically the subject and course number that they're retaking. So I can see I've got a couple students in this list that are retaking Math 1314, which is a college algebra course. I see a student retaking humanities, history, government, biology, arts. So we can grab those students. You could grab them as the entire group by clicking on the total and clicking add to above criteria. Or if you have the time, you can click and for each subject be able to send them to the appropriate resource. So you could grab these 2 students that are retaking math and click add to above criteria. And again, just grab those email addresses and copy to the clipboard. And you might also look at classes being taken for the third time, and you can see that we've got math courses here as well. And so you could grab those 2 students, click add to above criteria, and grab those emails. So you're sending out to all of the students retaking math, whether it's a second or third time at the same time. And you could just send them a quick message saying, I noticed you're retaking a math course this semester. Did you know that we have a math hub with free tutoring as well as virtual tutoring that's free using Upswing, which is in your My Viking portal. Again, I can close out that filter, and then I could grab the students with the other courses. Now, humanities, history, government, all of those are pretty writing intensive, and so you could grab the email for that student, for this student, and for this student, and send the same message, giving them information to the writing lab so that or the writing center, so that they would know that they could also use this even though they're not taking an English course in any of their writing assignments for those courses. For the biology course or the business course, they may have tutors that they could sign up for free with the Tutoring and Disability Center. So, just getting those students the resources they need early on so that they know that they have advantage to those free resources, and maybe that will help them pass this subject this second or third go around. If you have any questions, please reach out to Nancy Luthi or Logan Maxwell, and we'd be happy to help. The next video is going to cover the Active Program tab.